Hello, my dear friends. My name is Evelina and I'm going to read today's story time. Are you ready for the story time? I'm ready too. Then let's start. Yum. Food from far and wide. Different foods are grown and made in the different regions of Canada. These foods are eaten across the country and around the world because they are so delicious. Fiddleheads, wild rice, Sashkatoon berries, maple syrup, canola. Growing, oh canola! Look at these golden fields of canola. Canola was developed by scientists in Manitoba and Sashkatoon. Its seeds are crushed to make a tasty and healthy oil that is used in salads and for cooking. Canola seeds, canola flowers, canola oil. Fact bite. Ola means oil. Do you see how the words Canada and ola make canola? Fiddleheads. Do you see how fiddleheads look like the scroll on a fiddle? They are the coral shoots of young ferns. This is how the vegetable grows in the forest during early spring. Fiddleheads taste yummy cooked with a bit of butter. The Malisit and Macmo peoples of eastern Canada have harvested fiddleheads for hundreds of years. Coral shoots. Fact bite. Tighthead village in New Brunswick is called the Fiddlehead capital of the world. Sashkatoon berries. Have you ever seen these colorful berries? Sashkatoon berries grow in the Canadian prairies, northern Canada, and British Columbia. They are a very important plant for the Siksika people. They use the berries to make a soup served at special occasions. Part of the plant are used for medicine. They are good to eat straight from the bush or with waffles and yogurt. Sashkatoon berries. Fact bite. Sashkatoon berries are also called June berries, shed berries, and sugar pears. The Siksika calls them okonoki. Harvesting, wild rice. Have you ever eaten wild rice? It's a native flavored grain that is grown in water. It is found in the marshlands of the Great Lakes and Lake Winnipeg. The Ojibwe and other First Nations peoples harvest it from canoes. They bend the tall rice stalk and shake them to make the grains fall into their bowls. Wild rice crop. Fact bite. Wild rice is also called Canada rice or water oats. In Ojibwe, it is called manomin. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is scrumptious, but do you know where it comes from? It is harvested from the sap of maple trees. The First Nations people living in Ontario and the Atlantic provinces were the first to collect sap from the trees. They boiled the sap over a fire and slowly it turned into a thick sweet syrup. Maple syrup, collecting sap. Fact bite. Most of the maple syrup eaten around the world comes from Canada. Enjoying. Pancakes with maple syrup and Sashkatoon berries. Try this delicious recipe. You will need 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of canola oil to make. 1. Mix the first 4 ingredients together. 2. Beat egg, milk, and oil in medium bowl with a whisk, stir in flour mixture. 3. Ask an adult to help you ladle dollops of butter onto a hot skillet. 4. Cook on medium heat until bubbles begin to form on top. 5. Ask an adult to flip the pancakes to cook the other sides. And 6. Serve topped with maple syrup and Sashkatoon berries. Yum! What yummy food from Canada do you enjoy at home? I enjoy pancakes with maple syrup. What about you? Tell the answer to your parents or your friends or your brothers, sisters, grandparents. Thank you for being with me today. If you haven't subscribed, do it now and put likes. See you next time. Bye-bye.